Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix unable to queue for matching Dota 2 as administrator. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to change Dota 2's compatibility settings. To do this, you just need to open up Steam. Right click on the Dota 2 and select manage and select browse local files. Comes up file explorer. Double click on the game folder. Double click on the bin folder, double click on the win64 folder. Now right click on the dota2.exe and select properties, select compatibility tab and select change setting for all users. In here you just need to uncheck the run this program as an administrator guys. If you already unchecked like me, then you just need to check mark the run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK. Now you just need to again select change setting for all users. Uncheck run this program as an administrator, select apply and OK. Now select OK for save changes. This was our first solution guys. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to verify the game files. To do this, you just need to right click on the Dota 2 and select manage, select browse local files. You just need to double click on the game folder, right click on the bin folder and change the name guys. Just type underscore old and after typing it, just close it off here. Don't worry guys, after verifying the game files, this folder will be recreated guys. Right click on the Dota 2 and select properties, select installed files, select verify integrity of game files. This will take some time to finish it guys, so kindly please wait. After finishing this, now you just need to close it off here and you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.